What a shitty weather today, huh guys? Hello guys, it's the Morons Cakes, and in today's video we are not gonna drive this car, but instead we are gonna drive this car, Volkswagen Golf 3 1.9 TDI with 90 horsepower from 9th year with 1Z engine. It was one of the best-selling cars and it's one of the most reliable workhorses, a car for the wide public, very beloved car by car enthusiasts, and very tuned car also with this brutal 1.9 TDI, which was built to be reliable, very tunable, and very solid car. It feels a little bit plastic today, little bit old, but we remember, car guys remember these old days when this car was awesome. So it even says VolkswagenClubBG.org, so it's a club fan car. Okay, this is a Golf 3, this is the key, and now guys, what? Let's go to drive it, let's go to POV it. Okay, let's go. We're already inside in this old time machine. You can see the interior, nice recolor like in Golf GTI. But this one is not 150 horsepower version. Nice gear shifter, so long, more than 20 centimeters. Let's not waste more time guys, and let's start this machine. Put the key here and let's see how does it start. Wait. Okay, hear that noise, the noise of old school cars, and the feel, everything feels old school. This dash is like on American cars, it's so up front of you with these edges and curves. This one has additionally installed tempomat, but let's go and drive it in the city POV guys. We have some fuel, so let's go. Before we go, always we put our seat belt and turn the lights on. In this bad weather, as you see, we had to put some heating inside, but this old diesel, it wouldn't heat for long, I'm sure. Okay, I'm super excited. I'm driving Golf 3. Well, this one is stock, it's a workhorse, it doesn't know its mileage already. Have some chunking noises from all the doors. Let's lock it. Oh, we have central locking, manual central locking. We have some noise from the back. Some noise is here from the back. I should check what's going on with this old lady. Did you hear it? I'll have to go down and check. You see, it's a little bit nervous. That's because of years, you know, the old people always get nervous. Nice recaro. Here, some wipes to wipe your tears because of nostalgia. This one is not much in place, but leave it here. Okay. Nervous. Gears are shifted still good. It's white and it doesn't feel so much wag, even though it's so old without turbo geometry. These cars are with a 15-inch tires, and this platform is not very stable, so, and I'm not sure in the tire, so better avoid high-speed steering. I should go here and check what's going on underneath. I think that's something with the handbrake has to do with that problem. Let us go here. Oops, this is not the right button. I don't know, everything falls apart. I keep screaming with the horn. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, I will now go and check, but we'll leave the car. I'll turn off the car and I close myself here. Let's open it. Let's see what was making this awful noise, guys. It's somewhere here. Yeah. Oh, I made myself a mess. Okay, it's now in place. So we better I think I fixed it, but it was a high price to pay. Okay, I understand now. I have to use the wipers to clean myself. Well, everything has a purpose in this life. Everything has a logic in it. Okay, I think I'm ready to continue driving. What a POV today, guys. We have to fix some things in the car. It was the handbrake that was scrubbing the tire. Let's close again. First gear, and let we see now. Okay, we're riding. We fixed it. I rare fixed something by myself, but this time it worked. I'm super impressed. I can be a mechanic. Maybe not. Let me just drive. There is no 6th gear, of course, and the car is running just fine. It's so wide, so it doesn't actually need a powerful engine, although this is pretty torquey for its age. And the idea is that the whole car is very wide and little bit above 1 ton, and that's why these cars are really paying you off for every horsepower you have. It also can easily go with 1500 RPM without any problem, as you see. But doesn't feel right, this car, because the engine is 4-cylinder. We'll use 4th gear. There is no vibration on 4th gear. And let's drive. Oh, fix it. Everything is, this car is fixed by some moves, by some power. Yeah, the wipes are not very good, but still good. Power. Okay, guys, you feel it now? You feel what is it like? The suspension, the running gear. Oh no, oh no, my fix already again broken. Brakes are not in its best state. No, I have to listen this in my whole POV. Sorry, guys, we'll have to listen it. Not a good sound, I agree. It's like someone is trying to use AK-47 against my Golf. It's not my Golf, my POV Golf. Well, I cannot fix it here. I'll have to drive a little bit more. Come on, I need heating, Golf. Not this one. Of course, every old car, you feel everything inside. You feel the noise, you feel the roads, you feel the engine roaring. But it's easy to drive, even though it's from 93rd year. It has steering hydraulic, so no problems. Okay. It doesn't sound good, right? I know. I'll have to stop somewhere to fix it. Maybe here. Let me see, here is okay. It looks kind of okay. Let's again stop, turn off the car. Well, no, I shouldn't use this. Shit. I again cheated my hands. But let me see if I have done something, or maybe nothing I have done, and we'll have again a sound. Okay, full throttle. That's the full throttle. As you can see, not much power left in this car. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth. So guys, we will have to listen to that noise. We don't have a radio. YouTube doesn't like radios. Let's see how is the handling. Well, it's like a boat. It swings everywhere. You can see it's not very stable. But it's so fun. Actually, it rides very nice. I can do this whole day. So much body roll in the old cars. Full throttle. No, definitely there is some issue with that car. Full throttle and the needle almost doesn't move. So maybe it's like a pure diesel, not like a 90 horsepower. Let's try second gear. No, we are not having any performance upgrade. Let's try this road here. It's a little bit more curvy. And a lot of body roll here. Fourth gear. So guys, there is no point to make video 0 to 100 in that car, because it would be very worse in that state. Oh. It has adjusting of the steering wheel here from this. Some police here reported. I overtake him. Don't look at them, don't look at them. Look at the left, look at the left, look at the left. Okay. Full throttle to catch. Woo! I will catch it. Woo, boys! Woo. No, actually, guys, this isn't a real acceleration of 90 horsepower Golf. Driving like a pro, only like this. No, guys, always put your both hands much like the long way of the gear shifter. Third is somewhere there in the dashboard. Oh, another newer Golf is actually trying to make its way. Oh, we have to stop. Here is very dangerous. Let's see if we can keep with him. First gear, second gear. Whoa. Fifth gear. Full throttle, guys. Woo! Not much is happening on full throttle. Guys, do you remember when we were kids, we were using such plastic glasses to put on the wheel of our bikes in order to have this sound? And I'm having it now in my Golf. Not my Golf, POV Golf, which I have taken for POV, but it's the same actually. It's more like more powerful engine working on big delays. Okay, full throttle, guys. Woo! This Dacia taxi was afraid of some Golf approaching. I'm kidding, just making fun while driving. What a rainy day today, guys. Okay guys, do you want me to downshift with rev much? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now let's try the second gear again with rev much. Third gear. Okay, fourth gear. Well, we create actually artificial dynamics. That's a moron's hacks term. That's a moron's hacks terminology. Third gear. You see, guys, I want to show you. Let's see this. So far away from me. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, although we had some sound issues from the back right handbrake things, but overall you saw what it's like to sit in a Golf. It has even electric windows. To be in a Golf 3 1.9 TDI from 93rd year, you experience some new thing. If you haven't driven such old car, these cars, you know, they won't exist, especially the diesels, in the near future. As you know, in European cities they will go away. In some third countries like ours, but however, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more driving content, for more reviews and so on. You know what to do. Subscribe and click the bell to get notified about all other uploads. Thanks guys, and please review, put your opinion about Golf 3 down, and as always, stay healthy. Bye guys. I'll now rev much. Woo!